We now have the supplies of coffee. Woohoo! Isa na lang. Nakapay tuwalit. Upat. Nay. Nay, gamay na kape, Nay.
We're on the way.
We ran out of coffee capsules and
Copy what?
coffee. We ran out of coffee capsules, Nespresso for the machine. And we're in a hurry because we need to pick up first something. It's a
More coffee?
ube pandesal before we go to pick up the coffee capsules from Nanay's friend. First stop, ube pandesal. We are picking up ube pandesal. Pare sa kape. Ube pandesal at saka kape. Copyright. Pinilan ako ng coffee, cold coffee ni Nanay, pero mas gusto ko yung mainit mamaya. Pampare sa ube pandesal. Lapa? Layo ng binila ng pandesal. Sa dera. Bayan. Okay lang, masarap naman.
Are you gonna eat it now?
Yes. This is pandesal. Ube pandesal. Ayan oh. May feeling oh. Kita niyo yung mga feeling oh. Nom. So tempting. Are you eating?
What he was telling you, or if you didn't understand what was on the worksheet, let's say it again. But this he had said again too. I don't know, sir. Mr. Keeley frowned. Billy's hat is blue. Malcolm.
Balay na lang, Bill. Okay.
One more. Pandesal. Ube pandesal. Sa hapon, sa gabi.
Only time of the day. It's yummy. Tara, 10 minutes from here ang kang Roxanne.
Moments later.
Big stop here in Authentic Angels Visayang Resto. Bago umuwi. Ayan na. May ginamos. May bame. Lechon manok. Tsaka lumpia ata. And may kinilaw. How many sleeves do we have now?
And we have bonus from Rocky chocolate.
Wow. These are all from Nestle. Do you have here? Skuro. Is this new, Nai? Skuro. Ah, we have milk chocolate also. Salamat, Rox. Madam Rocks. Thank you. Thank you. Ang babait ninyo. Barista Creations, Nespresso Scuro. En Vivo Lungo. Wow! Nespresso
one.
exclusive edition. Yemen. What's this? Barista Creations, Vanilla Eclair. Ah! Aged Sumatra. So this is from Indonesia. Sumatra. Colombia. Hello, Colombia. Hey, Colombiano. Caramel cream brulee. We haven't tried all these variants.
Yeah, I selected those that we haven't tried.
Woo!
And we got the Erochino.
Fortisio Lungo. What's his name?
Erochino. It's the milk frother.
Oh, wow. Nespresso.
Erochino 4. That's the
4.
latest one.
Nespresso, this is not a sponsored vlog.
Yeah.
Nespresso, baka naman.
Non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girano, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto Adolcino d'amor, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto Adolcino d'amor.
So that's one good thing if you have a friend, actually my wife's friend, former colleague, who's working from the source. She's from Nestle. She's working in Nestle and we're having all this for a good price. Well, we're just fortunate to, to have all this, and I am very happy because for the past months since we got the Nespresso Essenza mini machine, coffee machine from her also, we've been using the machine for almost 1 year now, and we're always buying different products, different coffee capsules or coffee sleeves from supermarkets. But this is the original because Nespresso are the ones making Starbucks coffees also. So we got it from the source. So I'll make one now. I'll open first this Fortisio Lungo. And then tomorrow we will open another one, which we will pair with our ube pandesal. Okay, see you tomorrow.
The next day.
Magandang Friday morning. Sabi ko sa inyo, timpla na naman kinabukasan. So ito, ganda ng umaga, ganda na ng panahon. Sarap tsaka mabango. Ang sinubukan natin ngayon yung vanilla eclair. Siyempre, magandang pares, ube pandesal. Ito mo yung cheese, oh. So that's it for this episode. Inabutan pa tayo ng pangalawang araw para lang tapusin itong episode na to. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And anyway, this is not a sponsor, just an FYI. The products mentioned, or the products mentioned, there's no way sponsoring this episode. Paborito lang talaga. Maraming salamat.